One Walmart inventory control, like a logistics expert, it's not as hard as you think. And if you stay in stock and you don't run out of stock, you can get all of your listings into the excellent category. And the excellent categories you can see right here for our client, $12,000 a month in sales. If you're not staying in stock, Walmart's purposely going to push your rank down and your item performance rank is going to go down. And you'll probably be in the good range or the poor range, and you can see the sales from there. So it's always important to stay on top of these kinds of things. Now, if you go into reports, right? So we're going to go into reports, and what you're going to do is WFS reports. This is going to be the OG Pro report. You're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to download the inventory health report. The best thing about this report is once you click download, it's going to go over here and you have all WFS inventory. And then you can click download. And Walmart reports take forever, but this one is instant, right? So thank goodness some Walmart reports take such a long time. And then what you're going to do is just open this up. Now, I like to open it up in Google Docs because it's a lot easier. Sorry, Google Sheets because it's a lot easier. And this is an example of it, right? But it's pretty easy to just simplify and train you or your team how to simplify it. I just simplified it, and all I did was just hide some columns just so you saw the important columns. And here's the simplified version, right? So it's just the inventory health right here. You've got it tells you the GTIN, the item ID, the SKU, the product name, the brand name, and if the listing's published. So now this even tells you if the listing's published or if there's an error. So that's pretty good. You can see how many units you have left at Walmart. We've got 43 units. We've got 6 inbound units, right? So that means we have 45 units. And then we have 94 days of supply. So we probably don't need to send more items in or order more items, okay? We've got the predicted out of stock date. Not only that, but it tells us the sales in the last 7 days. So it says last 7 days unit sales, right? So we can see that data. And then we can also see the last 7 days actual like monetary money. So if we're selling it for 6 and you kind of multiply that by how much we're selling it for, it's like $60 per, it comes out to almost $360. Last 7 days in stock. So if you want to see if you've been in stock for the last 7 days, this is probably a section I would just hide because, you would know you're in stock. And they can also show you the last 30 days unit sales and the last 30 days monetary sales. So this report just in itself pretty much tells you everything you need to know about your inventory and what you need to restock, because it's literally telling you the last 7 days of sales. So you can do the math yourself right here on the sheet directly from Walmart, or you can just analyze this and do a quick review once a week and be like, okay, we're good to go. Let's keep moving. And you can also see what products are slow sellers. So you can double down on the slow sellers. If you do have slow sellers, you can always go to the link right in our description, and then you can get a free listing audit right here. If you click there, fill this out, and then we do have a audit where we're going to look at your listing and tell you exactly what your top competitors are making per month on Walmart. That's important so you know your number one competitor. Not only that, we're going to see if they're running ads, what their images are, what their organic rank is. So we can actually see this one's pregnancy pillows for sleeping, U-shaped pillow. Then their sponsored rank. So they're running Walmart PPC. And you can see exactly what they're running for, the keywords, and pretty much just mimic them if you want to generate more sales. But that's it for today's video. What should I cover next on Walmart? Drop your questions and topics below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management. We're going to be monitoring your listings, optimizing them, listing quality score. We have a full-fledged inventory team that's going to be monitoring that as well. Ads, you name it, we're here for you to make sure your business is growing. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.